Hey people, what's up? It's your boy Brooklyn King B. So this video is gonna be a little bit short. I'm gonna show you how to roll a triple roach spliff, but I'm gonna show you with smaller papers, smaller rolling papers. I'm not gonna use this one because this one's for my tobacco. Yeah, I'm going to show you using these papers. These papers are much bigger, so kind of more easier to maneuver your fingers with. So I'm going to show you how to put together 3 roaches and how to, you know, like roll with it. It's harder to put it together than to roll with it, because that's the hardest part is to put it together, and the easiest part is to roll with it. You just use it like it's a single roach, not a big deal, but to put it together is the difficult. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. I'm going to show you how to roll with it. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to use that. I'm gonna cut it down to size a little bit. So the way you cut, the way you do cut Rizzlers down to size is very easy. You just fold it, okay, and then where it's wet, you just rip it. Comes off very easily. I get a couple more Rizzlers. Okay, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna make the roaches. There's one. There's 2. Big barrier. See? You want to make the roaches as thin as you can, because a lot of weed smokers, they like their roaches thick, rolled thick, bigger. But for making a triple roach, you need to make the individual roaches thin for this case, because if you make it too big, when you put them together and you roll it, the spliff is going to be way too big. It's not gonna be rolled as tight as you think, and spliffs you need to roll tight, so it needs to be thin. So that's 2, and that's 3. So I've got my 3 roaches here. Okay, so you want to hold them in place like so. You see? Now here's the tricky part. So you want to put your roaches down. Now the reason why I got these 2 extra rolling paper sheets here is to put these 3 roaches together. So I'm going to cut these down to size, and then I'm going to do it. So now I've got 2 strips that I've cut down to size. Cut them down. Well, not cut them, but I've teared them down to size. Okay, so I'm gonna cut. So every Rizzler has a shiny strip at the other end. So it has a shiny strip. That shiny strip is what you use to lick. So when you roll him and you roll and it's done, and you roll the Rizzler up, you lick that bit, So you're rolling, so the paper has that shiny bit has to face towards you, and not away from you, towards you. And you lick it, and then you roll, and then that secures the paper around your tobacco or weed that's in the spliff. Okay, so that helps it stick. Now I want to cut that strip off, okay, and use it for these 3 roaches. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, just cutting these off. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight when you cut though. The reason why I use the scissors is because it's more straighter. I want it to be at least near perfect. Okay, so I've cut the strips, the shiny strips off. Now you wanna have the strip away from you. Okay, so the shiny, so the non-shiny part down, up. Alright, so face the non-shiny part up. Put them down. Okay, and the other one as well. You'll see why I need 2 in a minute. Okay, just on the edge of the tape. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these 3 roaches. Okay, get these 3 roaches here. Put them together in between my fingers. Okay. And here's what I'm gonna do. Is you have to make sure that they are tight. Tightly, that the strip is, you have to make sure the strip is tight around the roaches. If it's loose, boy, you're gonna have a bad time rolling. Okay, so